When it comes to mounting electronics in your Jeep, for my JL, my choice was pretty much made for me once I looked into Bulletpoint mounting solutions, Rubigrid. There are other devices like this you can get as well. There's the 67 Designs comes to mind. Plenty of clips, clamps, and other ways to hold your stuff, but this is what's worked out best for me. I think all told, at the time of filming, I have about $150 into this mount. I would check Bulletpoint's website for clarification on that. This is the Rubigrid, which comes with a phone mount and a GoPro mount, the one I went with, although I opted for the MagSafe magnetic mount, as well as an additional arm and place to mount my radio mic. This basically takes the place of the mat in the center of your dash. You just pull that out. There are 2 screws up in there that you remove. Place a base plate down, screw that in, and screw the top plate into it. It's about 8 screws all told, and super, super secure. This is really nice because the arms are infinitely adjustable. You can put these mounts pretty much anywhere you see along this grid here. You could put another arm up there if you'd like. I use the media screen for most of my needs off-road, and I use my phone redundantly. So I didn't need to have a tablet mount, although those are available. The power I have run goes through my dash down to the media port. I've actually run a USB-C cable up here and have a lightning adapter on the end of that, which works really well for me. I use my phone as an action cam sometimes, so just by adjusting the thumb screws, I can change the angle on the phone mount, since I don't have a GoPro. If I was buying a mount for my Jeep and had to do it all over again, I think I would still use Bulletpoint. I just really like what it does for my devices, makes it super easy to use. The MagSafe mount has never led to my phone falling off over bumps, rocks, and everything else. It's just been a great mount. I really appreciate your time. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you out there.